Today I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can turn on and off substitute on eFootball. So it's pretty simple. For this, after you open eFootball, you need to click on game plan. And after you click on game plan, at the left side, it's going to show you your team's logo. My team is Manchester United, that's why it shows me Manchester United's logo. I need to click on that. After I click on the logo, it's going to show me all these options. From all these options, you want to choose the third option, which is automatic match support. Click on that. From over here, you can see the option called substitutions. Click on substitutions. From over here, you can choose when you want your substitutions. If it is on off, then unless you manually substitute someone, it's not going to substitute anyone. But if you have turned on flexible, very early, very late, then it's going to sub player according to the one. If it's on very late, at the end of the game, it's going to substitute player. Very early, like soon after the game starts, it's going to start substituting. Flexible means it's going to substitute player in the middle of the game, like 45 minutes to something like that range. I hope you understand on how you guys can turn on and off substitute on eFootball. It's that simple. So if you guys found our video helpful, then hit the subscribe to our channel one step for future videos like this. I'll see you guys next time.